All right. EasyCare Select Plus. Paintless dent repair. What is paintless dent repair, Alyssa?
Where there's a dent and there's no paint that they have to do. No painting. So it's not like a scratch and a dent.
So where might we get a ding or a dent like that?
Where mine has it in the lining of the vehicle on the back end. I have one in my car and I have a motor trend vehicle.
You have a motor trend vehicle?
That's why I was asking all this stuff, because I actually did not know all of this.
Well, so when you bought the car, they didn't go over this with you?
The finance guy went over most of it, but there's some things.
Who was the salesperson?
Herself.
Yeah, myself. Sold myself a vehicle.
Really? I'll deal with him.
I'll deal with it.
Okay, paintless dent repair. You get a ding or a dent. The paint isn't broken, but there's a ding or a dent. Paintless dent repair can normally take care of it. Okay. Here's the problem. If I tell a customer I'm going to give them paintless dent repair, by the way, paintless dent repair is good. This coverage is good for 6 months, unlimited miles, and there is no deductible. We will fix a maximum of 781 dings or dents during those first 6 months. Okay? I just made that up. It's unlimited, actually. 781 sounds better, though. Here.
Unlimited in the 6 month span?
Yep, we'll fix an unlimited number of dings or dents. We only give them 2 visits to the paintless dent repair people, though. All right, but here's the problem. Dustin, what percentage of the vehicles that are traded in have dings or dents?
90.
I'd say 90 is probably just about right. Okay. Jonathan, you ever gotten a ding or dent in your car?
Absolutely.
Okay, Alyssa?
Oh, yeah.
So have I. And Dustin, how about you?
Oh, most certainly.
Alyssa, did you go get it fixed?
It's actually on the list to get fixed.
Okay, but it's because it's not going to cost you anything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Jonathan, did you ever get those dings and dents fixed?
Nope.
Me either. Dustin?
No.
Okay. Here's the reality of it. Somebody comes out from after having gone to a movie or a bar or a restaurant or church or a Walmart or wherever, and they see someone has rudely dinged or dented their car. What do?
Freak out.
Cuss. God almighty. Rotten son of a bitch.
I've had that happen.
Right. Okay, and then they go on about their business. Nobody looks into what it would cost to get them fixed because they know it's probably going to be way less than the $500 deductible on the collision part of their insurance policy. So nobody gets them fixed. But Dustin, do they eventually pay for those dings or dents?
Most certainly.
How so?
When they trade it back in.
When they trade or sell it, someone is going to deduct from the value of that vehicle the cost of getting the dings and dents fixed. Now, Alyssa, a ding or dent the size of a dime, what do you think it would cost to get that fixed using the paintless dent repair process?
And just a guess, maybe $50.
Alyssa, if I had a prize, I would give you a prize because $50 is just about right. Okay?
I talked to my mechanic about it, then in mine's at that size.
Okay, good for you. Now, if it's big as a credit card, it might be up to $150, but most of the smaller ones can be done for $50 or $60.
Can I steal this one?
Please. So here's the problem. Customers don't get the dings or dents fixed. They don't even know what it costs to get the dings or dents fixed. Customers don't know that their vehicle's been devalued because of their dings or dents. So if we're going to create value in paintless dent repair, we're going to have to do some educating. And I'll demonstrate how to do that in just a little bit.